Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to All About the Mind on Drew's podcast. We're here today to speak with my dear friend Kate. I know her as KK because we share common bonds. We are the same in spirit. So welcome KK, Kate.
Hello, Andrew, and I'm very happy to be here on your channel. Thank you.
Yes, so today we are going to be speaking about things about overcoming, and it's also going to be translated into Estonian. So you can start by uh, maybe remembering what I just said to the people. Thank you.
Tere kõigile ja täna siis olen ma siin Andrew YouTube'i kanalil ja me räägime, vestleme omavahel sellest, kuidas üle saada, läbi tulla väljakutsetest, mis võivad meid elus oodata.
Okay, so we are living in some serious times.
Et me elame praegu tõsiste muutuste ajal ja muutused toimuvad nii meie sees kui meie ümber. And just said that the changes are happening all around us and also within us.
Yeah. So how, we all need our support. We all need someone to support us when we're going through these difficult times.
Ja meil kõigil on vaja tuge, meil on vaja seda toetust, seda mõistmist, teinekord lihtsalt ärakuulamist. And sometimes it's just enough that we have someone we can feel free and someone we can just share.
Share, yeah. Yeah, there's a saying, problem shared is a problem solved. Yeah, so you can tell them, okay.
Et teinekord lihtsalt see, et meil on keegi, keda me usaldame, kellega me saame jagada ja Andrew ütles siis toreda ütlemise, et probleem, mis on jagatud, on lahendatud.
With myself going through what I've been through in life.
Ja Andrew isiklikud kogemused, see, mida tema on kogenud oma elus ja mida ta on läbi elanud.
It's been very difficult.
Ei ole olnud lihtne.
However, I got through it.
Aga vaatamata sellele on ta sellest läbi tulnud ja siin praegu teie ees.
But when you're going through it, it feels like there's no end.
Ja kui te olete selle protsessi keskel, keset seda, siis võib tihti tunduda, et see on lõputu, ei ole väljapääsu. And yes, when you are in the midst of it all, then it can be really overwhelming and you can get into the negative spiral, which will just drag you down and it feels like there's no way out, no solutions, no light in the end of the tunnel.
Yeah. So, in life, we're on this roller coaster.
Et elu on meil alati selline tõusude ja mõõnadega, see ei ole sirge tee üles ja see juhtub kõigi meie eludes.
We have our ups, which is positive, and we have our downs, which is a negative period.
Et meil on siis tõusud positiivsed ja langused negatiivsed. And maybe we can also add that quite often something which seems at the moment when you are down negative, after you will realize that that was the biggest lesson and the blessing actually.
Yeah.
Ja lisasin siia juurde, et teinekord, kui me oleme selles mõõnapunktis, selles madalas punktis, siis pärast, kui me oleme sellest üle saanud, siis tagasi vaadates me saame aru, et see tegelikult oli koht, kus me kõige rohkem õppisime ja koht, millele me peaksime tegelikult tänulikud olema.
Yeah, so many of you have been through many experiences.
Et kindlasti kõik teist on kogenud väga palju erinevaid kogemusi, teil on olnud erinevaid kogemusi ja katsumusi.
And if you can remember, you got through it.
Ja kui sa tagasi vaatad, siis sa tegelikult tulid sellest läbi, sa oled siin, sa oled elus ja kõik on hästi tagantjärgi.
So today I will tell you that you will get through this.
Ja Andrew on siin täna teile meelde tuletama seda, et ükskõik, mis hetkel toimub, te saate sellega hakkama, te lähete sellest läbi ja tulete välja puhtamana, targemana ja see ongi kogemus. Need on elu õppetunnid. And I said, you will get through it and you will come out of it stronger, clearer and better and wiser.
Yes. So when you're in the valley down there,
et kui te olete siis selles madalas kohas või selles ütleme nii, et oru põhjas.
And all these negative thoughts come bombarding your head.
Ja kõik need negatiivsed mõtted tulevad ja pommitavad sinu meelt, need justkui haaravad sind endasse ja tõmbavad alla.
You need to cancel them or speak a positive over it.
Ja siis on see, et te peate nad tühistama ja kui te olete need tühistanud, siis selle asemele panema siis midagi positiivset, sest universumis ei ole tühjust ja kui te midagi kustutate, siis te peate midagi asemele panema, muidu tuleb sinna midagi automaatset. I just explained that in universe there's no empty void. So if you delete or cancel something, you have to put something instead. That's right. To fill it. Otherwise, something automatically will come in, and in that case, you are not in control.
Yeah, that's right. So take control over your mind.
Ja tegelikult kogu asja võti on see, et kontrollige oma meelt, võtke kontroll enda kätte. Teie olete oma elu looja ja peaksite olema siis kontrolli positsioonil. I just said that people should take control over their mind and remind themselves that they are the creators of their life, their reality, and they have to take the control back.
That's exactly where I was going next, is to say positive affirmations. I am loved. People love me. I draw positivity towards me. I am gravitated to the best. Everything that is positive.
Ja Andrew just tahtis jõuda sinna positiivsete mõteteni, afformatsioonideni, et mina olen positiivne, minu ellu tulevad vaid positiivsed inimesed, mina olen armastus, ma tõmban ligi armastavaid inimesi, armastavaid suhteid, kõik see, mida te tahate positiivselt oma ellu luua.
Yeah, many of us have got busy scheduled lives.
Et paljudel meist on kiire elu ja palju igapäevaseid toimetusi ja tegemisi.
But when you're not busy, you have to create that peace.
Ja kui teil ei ole siis kiire, siis te peate looma seda rahu. And I would like to add that it is so important, I would even use the word crucial, to create that space, regardless how busy you are. because otherwise
Yeah, you have to have a balance.
ja lisasin, et selle aja mahavõtmine, see on kohustuslik, seda peab tegema, sest kõik on tasakaal ja Andrew lisas siis omalt poolt, et kõik on tasakaal ja seda tasakaalu peate teie juhtima ja teie kontrollima. And the
Yeah,
balance is in your hands. You should be responsible that there is a balance in your life.
you have to have a balance, and the spirit man and the natural. So you have the natural and you have the spirit man. It needs to be balanced.
Et teil peab olema tasakaal siis teie hingelise, teie vaimse poole ja siis selle igapäevaelu reaalsuse vahel, et need asjad peavad olema tasakaalus ja tähelepanu peavad saama võrdselt mõlemad. So you have to give your attention to both sides in order to keep the balance.
Yeah, because the natural is a chaotic system.
Ja see nii-öelda teie reaalsus on siis kaootiline süsteem, kaootiline välismaailm.
And the spirit man will give you that peace.
Ja siis see teie vaimne pool, teie vaimne olemus on see, kust on siis võimalik leida vastupidist kaosele rahu. So it's a complete opposite instead of chaos and havoc, have the peace over there.
So next question is, how do you create that peace?
Ja järgmine küsimus on, kuidas luua seda rahu?
Maybe many of you got hobbies.
Võib-olla paljudel teil on erinevad hobid.
I would say stay away from social media, stay away from the news, anything that is not beneficial for your spirit.
Ja Andrew juhatus nõuanne on siis see, et hoidke eemale kõigest sellest, mis ei toeta teie vaimset tasakaalu, kindlasti sotsiaalmeedia uudised, mis toodavad ainult negatiivseid emotsioone. I just added that social media, mainstream news, they are just producing fear and all other kind of negative things, and
stay away from it. So, you know, this podcast is to help people and to also connect with people that are like-minded.
See Andrew podcast on loodud selleks, et inimesi aidata ja toetada ja ühendada sarnase ellu suhtumise, sarnase mõtteviisiga inimesi.
And we share, we tell the truth. We're not afraid of our past to tell people. So please like and share our channel.
Me räägime tõde, me jagame, me ei häbene rääkida ausalt ja avalikult ja jagada oma kogemusi. Nii et kui see sind kõnetab või kui sa tead kedagi, keda see võiks kõnetada ja aidata, laigi meie videot ja jaga seda oma tuttavatega.
This is a safe place and it's only going to have positive things coming out of here.
Ja see on turvaline keskkond ja siit keskkonnast tulevad teieni ainult positiivsed asjad.
So we wish all people that listen to this podcast today.
Me soovime kõigile, kes täna meie podcasti kuulasid,
a beautiful and bright future.
Ilusat, imelist, säravat, helget.
Stay positive.
Ja olevikku. I also added that not just the future, but also the present moment should be bright and beautiful and positive.
Yes. And we love you. We love the people and we just want to share that positivity that
me armastame teid, me armastame inimesi ja me lihtsalt tahame teiega jagada positiivsust ja näidata teile läbi isendi, et see on võimalik. And I also added that we would like to share and show you by our own examples that positivity is doable and yeah.
So we are here to share and to make life more understandable and to see, whatever you're going through, whatever, you can get through it.
Ja me oleme siin selleks, et kinnitada teile, et ükskõik, mis teie elus toimub, te saate hakkama, te lähete sellest läbi ja meie oleme siin selleks, et olla teie jaoks olemas ja teid toetada.
Never give up.
Ärge mitte kunagi andke alla.
Bless you all.
Õnnistame teid kõiki ja ütleksin omalt poolt veel seda, et ärge kunagi lõpetage unistamast ja uskumast oma unistustesse. I also added that please never stop believing in your dreams and
Yeah, that's right.
And always follow your dreams.
Yep. And stay positive, have faith and believe. Yes.
Ja püsige positiivsena. Olgu teil usku ja lootust ja kõik saab korda. And everything is going to be all right.
And I'm talking to that person. That person listening today, I am talking to you. Stay positive. Everything will be fine.
Ja Andrew räägib kellegile teist, kellel just nimelt täna on vaja seda kuulda. Olge positiivsed, te saate hakkama, te lähete läbi sellest, mis iganes teil käsil on.
Thank you, Kate, KK, for coming on to the podcast. You are part of this anyway.
Andrew siis tänas mind, et olen temaga koos siin ja mina tänan teda. And I thank you. That was a great opportunity to be on your channel and share. What a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you. And there will be more to continue.
Ja
stay tuned.
Me jätkame selliste podcastidega, nii et püsige lainel, pange, tellige see kanal ja siis saate teada, millal on järgmine kord. I said subscribe and put on the notification bell so you will be informed when the next chapter is unfolding.
Yes. Bye everyone. Stay blessed.
Aitäh teile kõigile. Nägemist. Bye.
Bye.